Welcome, guys. Let's do this easy and healthy breakfast with less ingredients. For this, I'm using yogurt in vanilla flavor. You can use any type of yogurt or any kind of flavors, it really doesn't matter. Also, I'm using cream cheese or fresh cheese. Let's mix the cream cheese and yogurt together. When you mix these two things, then it gives a very good flavor. Let's mix both together. Then I add some honey to it. I'm adding some dates, 3 to 4 dates to it. Also, I'm adding chia seeds. Let's decorate it with blackberries. Let's make some topping with blueberries. Also raspberries. And that's it, guys. Easy and healthy breakfast is ready. Let's enjoy it.